Hi and welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'll show us how to make a flowing door animation in sketchware. So let's see how the project looks like. So this is the flowing drawer animation project. So you can see you follow the gesture of your hand. So let's do this in sketchware. First thing we do is we create an empty project. Then we add these two libraries. The project comes with the libraries. Then I remove my toolbar. I remove toolbar. The next thing I did, for clarity's sake, so I'm going to, first of all, I added a linear layout. First added a parent linear layout vertical. Then I renamed the ID to parent, and then I converted it to this, and then I injected this code. The next thing I did is I added another linear layout which will serve as the drawer, and I converted it to this, and then I made the ID drawer. Then inside the drawer I added a linear layout. So one thing we should know is we can only add one view to the drawer layout. That is the main drawer layout. So if we want to add multiple views to the main drawer layout, what we do is we add a linear layout to the drawer layout. That's why I added this full linear layout. Then from here I can add as many layouts as I want. E.g., I can do this. So if you want to add multiple linear layouts, I can do this from here. I can add multiple linear layouts to here, but what I cannot do is adding all this to here. No, it cannot work. So after doing this, then I added another linear layout. So for me, I want to do this so you can see how it is. Another linear layout called main, which will be the main app UI. So now the drawer becomes invisible. So that is the main. That is the main app UI. So let me remove the margin I added first. So inside the main, I added an image view. Then I added this linear layout to make it look like a toolbar with a text view which will contain the app name. So now in our on create, there's nothing much to do. All I just did was set text based on the app name using this code, and our text view 1, set text code, and elevation block to our toolbar. So our manual toolbar, to make it appear as the standard toolbar, or rather a customized toolbar. So now let's run it to see how it looks. So it has been installed. You can see our drawer layout. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching. Project is available on Sketchly Project Store.